Well, I think this button might... It's...
Wait.
Okay, never mind.
Traveling south.
It just didn't count down for the last couple of seconds. Actually, in fact, all of them aren't doing it.
Wait. Traveling south.
Okay, now it just reactivated it again. Will it cooperate?
29.
There we go.
28. 27. Wait. Traveling south.
They're all still not programmed right.
Wait.
Alright, the speaker's not acting up now.
Wait. Traveling south. Walk sign is on to cross. Walk sign is on.
Day 3 of trying to catch this Polara button acting up in the act. So, let's hear.
Wait.
Nope.
Wait.
You heard it first. Not glitching this time.
Wait.
It's still not messed up. But about a few days ago, this thing's speaker acted up extremely badly. Listen.
Wait.
I mean, you can.
Wait.
You'll see a video
Traveling
of this.
south. Wait.
The video comes up before this thing does.
Wait. Traveling south.
But yeah, this thing is not malfunctioning again. That's pretty good. Not malfunctioning.
Walk sign is on to cross.
What if the speaker was actually replaced? I'm not sure. But I highly doubt that because the speaker is still very loud. So I'm not sure. It could be fixed, or it probably was. It only acts up very infrequently. There is another pedestrian over there that acts up kind of the same deal too.
Wait.
So you'll see it in a few moments.
Wait.
Still a little bit messed up on this side too.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Not as bad as the other
5,
one, but this one's still pretty bad.
3, 2, 1.
Yellow light. I gotta go to the other side real quick.
Wait. What side is it?
Go ahead.
25, 24, 20, 19.
That's it.
Wait. Traveling south. What side is on to cross?
Focus camera.
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Surprisingly, after that weird speaker issue, it still seems to be holding on pretty well.
Wait. What side is on to cross?